Welcome to Wayne Toyota. My name's Amanda. I'm a product advisor here. I just wanted to show you one of our new trays we just brought in. It is a 2018 SR5 Tacoma. It has around 35,000 kilometers, extended warranty until 2021. Come over here and I'll show you inside. This truck is very clean. It does come with a couple of the safety features that we have. Adaptive cruise control and lane departure alert. Comes standard with backup camera and heated seats. Also comes with XM radio on this year. It is a double cab, so it does have the larger back seats. What's nice about these back seats is you pull this little lever here and there's some storage underneath. This is a 6-foot box, so it's a little bit longer than the standard box. Does come with your towing hitch with your 4 and 6-inch wiring harness. What's nice about our trucks is it does have the dampening system, so it lowers very slowly for you. We also have your 120 volt battery outlet here. And a couple different storage components there. Come down to Wayne Toyota. See us today, 623-8842.